watching this video, and I hope you're going to like this video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.
Hi mga besh, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. It's actually mag-quarter to 6 na and it's still really maliwanag mga besh kasi pa-summer na, so even it's almost night, so maliwanag pa rin. But anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Andito kami sa kitchen. I am making early dinner. Gumagawa ako ng monggo recipe. And Camila is making rhubarb pie mga besh. Kasi yung kahapon na ginawa namin, medyo hindi kami satisfied. So we will try our own recipe dito sa bahay. Kasi yung hinanap ko kahapon is nakita ko lang sa internet. And this time, we will do the rhubarb pie na we normally do dito sa bahay. So Camila is doing it and I'm making the dinner mga besh. So ito na yung aking munggo, pinapakuluan ko para lumambot mga besh. And then mainit na yung kalahay ko dyan mga besh. I'm going to fry this and then chicken and then spinach and yung munggo mga besh. So, and here's Camila already fixing our rhubarb cake. Ayan na yung magiging cake. And then here is the rhubarb. She's going to cut it later and the kitchen is so mess. Pasensya na mga besh kasi nagluluto kami hanggang doon. So, ayan. Okay, wait a bit. Why didn't you ready? Here. So skin.
Wow, it tastes good.
How does it taste?
Actually good. Raspberry, my favorite.
Used it. So, after nyan, slice the rhubarb and then asan na yung form? Here's already the form. So, ayan yung pinapalong niya na recipe mga besh. Ayan mga besh, yung ating monggos is ready na. So, I'm frying the chicken, tomato, garlic, and yung sibuyas dahon mga besh. And then, lagay na natin yung ating, later on, yung ating munggo and yung spinach. So, ready na. Ang bilis lang ito mga besh. Lalagyan ko siya ng more, yung chicken. And then, yeah, that's it. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina morning kasi besh, I was been sitting down sa aking libro kasi gumagawa ako ng assignment kasi may ipapasa ngayong Wednesday. So, ngayon relax na ako mga besh. Tama na sa assignment. Bukas na naman. So, now I'm cooking dinner and Camila's making food. Nude.
Hi guys, I'm doing rhubarb cobbler. It's actually my family's favorite. We do it like a tradition.
Yep. So, ayan na mga besh. So, you think it's good enough?
Yep.
Tinutulungan kila siya
But
lang.
I'm gonna taste it.
Hala. It's good?
Yummy.
Yummy. So, tinutulungan ko siya lang ng kaunti, but the rest she can do it. So, yan. Ayan mga besh, palambutin muna natin yung chicken natin before we're going to add the rest of the ingredient. And then, Camila is chopping now the rhubarb. Ayan. Did you show your new phone to them? You mean your clock?
No, I didn't. But I really like it.
Yeah, good. We bought it yesterday, right?
Yep.
Are you satisfied, Nerd?
Yep.
Bra. How is going on making this cake?
Good.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Good. Good. Took the chai.
Hi guys. Now I'm gonna put this thing in
Cake mix. You can
cake mix in here, and then it's gonna grow and grow to a marvelous cake.
Vänta, stopp. Du måste inte göra det här för så.
Now du filmar du vet.
Ja, men det gör ingenting. There it is. Skrapa bra. Awa, dinirhan niya mga besh kasi kakainin daw niya. Benta. So, that's it.
I'm gonna put it in.
Nej, du behöver inte.
Yes.
Okej då. Så. And then now, time to put all the rhubarb.
Music. Music.
Ayan mga besh, ayan. Camila is putting the rhubarb on the cake mix. Maugmaan taanib mga besh.
It's my rhubarb in my life. Pew, 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 pew.
Seriously?
Pop.
Ugmaan rin yan eh. Good job, Camila. Intelligent dan hara.
So I make them sink. So
Akta rin ko mas... Ito ba, Erika, tita po rin vlog. Kaduhel sa po yan eh.
thanks Erica for watching my vlog. I don't have anything. Pew.
Kom igen.
I'm doing it, my baby. TC hug.
Karma is bitch.
Peek, peek, boo. Pika.
Dito ko na i-end mga besh kasi maugmaan pa siya ani.
Hiya! Score! 1 score! 2 score!
Yon, lu ko marunong.
Score!
Nej, lugn. Titta på kanten också som fick inte.
Yes, mother. B, T, C, G.
Hahaha.
I know.
Alas 6 na mga besh, pero look at the sun, it's still up. Pasensyahan nyo na ang aming window kasi kailangan ng cleaning. It's already 6:03, so may sun pa mga besh. So, ang liwanag pa sa labas. Ganito dito pag malapit ng pa-summer, as in, ang liwanag, hala ka. Uy, kahugaw na sa amo ang window. It's need a really real cleaning mga besh. Camila is done, so it's ready for oven. We were just waiting for the oven kasi nakalimutan ni Camilang iput yung oven.
Now it's time for me to eat my mouth.
Which one? Yup.
And the dishwasher today.
Exactly. Ang nalagay niya lang is ito lang, hindi yung oven talaga ng pa-on kasi dalawa siyang dapat i-put on. This one, how many Celsius, and then ito yung sa oven kasi marami dyan mga besh. So, may grill, may anything. So, ito nakalimutan niya. So, hindi pa siya ready mga besh. So, waiting tayo niyan. And I think my chicken is ready. So, I can put the rest of the recipe mga besh. Yung ingredient ng ating monggo. So, lagay ko muna yung monggos muna mga besh. Ayan na mga besh, ready na ang ating monggos recipe. So, we're going to turn it off and then, yeah, waiting na lang ako sa rice kasi cooking pa. And then, here is our rhubarb cake. It will be there maybe, it says 30 to 35 minutes. So, we'll see how it will look like later. Nagbihis ako ng ibang damit mga besh kasi masyadong mainit naka long sleeve ako, and then later on pinantil ko yung buko kasi parang igang kayo mga besh pag andito ka sa kitchen, ang init mga besh. So nagbihis ako and then nilagay ko sa panitil yung buhok ko tsaka is life kasi besh reading lang tayo today kasi on Wednesday ipapasko na yung aking assignment. Paulit-ulit na ako Anyway, kakain ako soon. Ayan na yung ating rhubarb cake mga besh. Madali siyang naluto kasi our oven is new. So mga, I think less than 20 minutes lang siya. Supposed to be 35 minutes, but 20 minutes. Buti na lang tiningnan ko kasi medyo, tingnan nyo, nasunog na yung sa gilid niya mga besh. So yan, it will be cool down. But first, kain muna tayo ng Monggos! Yum, yum, yum! Ayan mga besh, Camila's white rhubarb cake. Ayan. We're going to eat this. And then watch movie mga besh. This is the...
What did you say what was? That's my cat.
Oh, fetus.
What happened to like? Oh no.
Kain mga besh. Nood na kami ng movie.
Uh-huh.